Yeah, in our previous video, we have seen how to create a simple menu, options menu. Okay, that is what we have done here. Okay, so we could created all of them is been created in our previous video. So in this video, I will show you how to change three properties of this menu. First is the placement of it, means whether you want settings in the beginning or in the last, or I want to reorder this in any way. Now you are able to see settings, about us, help desk and contact because the tags in my XML file is created in this order. Now irrespective of the setting order which has been created, I can also shuffle this by using a option or a property called as an order in category. Okay, using that I can move my settings to the last, help desk to the first, so any order I can change. Okay, so that is the first property we're going to understand. The second here is, you can see that there is nothing been displayed here. Suppose I want by default important kind of a menu item to be displayed here always, such as settings or maybe help desk. You want it to be displayed always here. So we can also do that by in the XML file. And thirdly, I can also display an icon or image here. So let us see now how to include these three kind of properties in my XML file. So to begin with, okay, let me see how to include your order. So here we're going to see that settings is first, then about us, then help desk, then contact us. Okay, so now I'm going to put help desk in the beginning, okay, and then about us in the last. So to do that, I'm going to use a property which is called as an order. So you can see here order in category. Okay, so in order in category, I will say I can use numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm going to use, by default this is coming as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because in the order of the creation. So since I want settings in the third position, I'll put as 3, and I want about us maybe in the last position. Okay, so I will put this as 4, so it will come in the last position, and I want help desk to be in the top. Okay, so I will say order category as 1, and also as I mentioned, I want this order category to be displayed here. The help desk to be displayed here. Okay, so for that I'm going to use an additional property for this, which is called as an show as action. Okay, here these are the different options I can choose. Okay, like for example, if there is space in my app bar here, only then you include this also. Okay, here for example, never means never include any of this particular item in my app bar at all. Okay, so now if I click on this always, okay, it means that when I load this particular app, okay, my help desk, okay, will be visible here. That is what it means. Okay, it's showing an error. So let me, okay, done. So now we can see, now I'm going to alt enter. Okay, so now I'm going to move this contact us to another options order category. Okay, so we finished. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the second position. Since there are 4 items, I have reordered. So first, when I had launched the app, it was displaying as settings, about us, help desk, and contact us. Now, even though it's in this order, I have changed the order of its display by using the order category. Okay, that is the positioning of your menu items within the menu using these numbers 3, 4, 1, 2, which implies that first help desk will be displayed, second your contact us will be displayed, third your settings will be displayed, and fourth your about us will be displayed. Okay, so let us see how it is going to be reflecting the change. So now before I launch it, you can see this is how it is looking now. I have not launched it. So now I am going to launch it and see this whole of this ordering will be changed. So let me see here. Okay. Okay, so now you can see I had launched it. So since I have mentioned here for help desk, show action always, implying that always this particular menu item should be there on this particular app bar. Therefore, you are able to see this here. Okay, so help desk has come on the top, and because I have mentioned as show action, it is being displayed here, which was not there in the previous case. So I'll click on this. You can see contact us is come in the second position. So let us see the tag here. You can see here 2 means it has come in second position. Settings I have given as 3, so it came in the third position, and about us I have given about us is here. Okay, I have given 4, so it has come in the fourth place. Okay, so these are the two properties you can apply for your XML file for your design so that it can be launched. Okay, the next last property or okay is I want an icon or an image here. I want one image to be displayed here. Okay, so this for this purpose, first I have to import my image. So you know that in one of the video how to import the image. So just to recall, so I'll go to the resource folder here and go to the new and say that I want an image asset because I'm trying to include that particular image icon into my project. So I'll click on the image asset, and here by default these are the settings. I'm going to choose here action, bar and tab icons and click on this particular clip art. And I'll choose one of a nice image icon, okay, such as okay, agriculture. I'll say okay and then say next. Okay, and say finish. So now you can see that in my drawable folder, this particular image is being loaded. Now this image, which was agriculture, I am going to place it in this particular location where help desk was there. Okay, so now I'm going to go to this help desk. Okay, I don't want this now. I will remove this. If you wanted to retain, you can retain and experiment on that. So I want icon. So I'll put an icon here. Okay, drawable, and it is there. So the first one, name. So I'm going to use this. Okay, done. So what is going to happen now? I am going to place an icon here in this particular place, and help desk is moved inside because I removed that show as action property. Okay, so now let me apply changes. Okay, let us see what is happening. So it's taking a little time. Okay. Okay, it's not able to display. So I'll just go back here and try to include because I think it has to be displayed on the app bar. Okay, therefore I need to say show action. Okay, so is equal to always. Okay, and then now I'm going to apply here. Okay, you can see that the images come up here. So why it did not happen previously was because I want the image to be, it is going to load here only, not inside the menu. Therefore, if it has to come here, then I have to compulsorily set this particular option called show always. Okay, then this image is going to get loaded here. Okay, and then, okay, so this icon is basically representing the help desk. So you see to that, whatever is the objective, see the help desk text is gone. That help desk title na is gone and replaced with this icon. So let your operation reflect your icon, be reflected by the icon. So accordingly you place it here. Okay, see, because if I click here, you can see there is no help desk because that is being represented by this icon here. Okay, I hope you have understood the three properties. Order category to position the items in the image, in the menu. Second one is your this particular show action so that I can display that particular menu item on the app tab here. Okay, and the third one is placing an icon here. Okay, so this completes your menu. Yeah, thank you. I hope you understood.